Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. In today's video, I will show you a platform, how to increase your website traffic organically from a platform, because we talk about Pinterest from another platform. So the platform is called Steemit, is steemit.com. I will put the link below, and you need to go and register yourself. Please don't lose your password, because there's a lot of you get points, there is a lot of things. You might even get paid by leaving comments. Actually, that's what is the platform is doing, is giving you a lot of traffic, and also you can get points, so you can actually make some money out of it, and it's free. So you can have a lot of posts like me here. I have a lot of posts. You can also retweet the post, like here is Steemit. Sorry, you do this, press OK. It's pretty much working like any other platform, and then you can see here. So it's simple as that. Now you see the blog, you see the post. It's a new platform. I mean, new like maybe 2-3 years, if I'm correct. Then you have replies from people that sent you comments. I just want to show you, like, as you can see here, from people, communities. Here, when it comes to communities, there are also free writers, YouTube, education for guests. You have notifications also, and you have the wallet, because you are getting paid to leave comments. So you can have a look through. It's free to register. I have a few followers, and you can see here, you can join. As you can see the platform here, you can come here, and this is how you do a post, and then you leave and drag the item if you want. Here also I have rewards like 50-50, so people who can leave comments are gonna get 50-50, so it's not gonna be 100% for my end. And then you know, they're gonna get paid as well. So it's really interesting. It's good if you are very active, because I'm active and I'm not active sometimes. If you are, what you need to do if you want to get followers very fast is actually you need to leave comments and participate. So here you have the profile. You can change this one to a night mode. I'm just going to show you on the right hand side here. You can go to the profile. Okay, so make sure that you don't lose your password, because it's very important. You cannot get another password. It's better if you copy and paste and save it in a USB. Here you have the wallet. If you want to make some transfer, you see what I get: Steam dollars, savings, estimated. You can have a look through a bit. It's here. It's a Steam blockchain. You can see here that's some of the old ones. It's really good, and a lot of people, they're using this, as I said, and they're getting a lot of traffic. So this is free, guys. You don't have to pay anything, and you should actually register. I will put the link below. You can have a look through on my profile, and you can ask me anything you want. Please connect with me on the social media, on Twitter, on Pinterest, and on Instagram, and make sure you ask me any questions you want. Put your questions below. Don't forget to like this video. Any questions you have, feel free to ask me, and have a lovely day.